Lone Star Ranch is the quintessential Front Range gentleman's ranch. Ideally located just south of Elizabeth, Colorado, the ranch boasts roughly 700 acres of rolling hills, rocky ridges, and Ponderosa Pine-covered hilltops and bluffs. Elizabeth, Colorado is located southeast of Denver and northeast of Colorado Springs in Elbert County. The area is popular among fans of rural living at a beautiful location within commuting distance of either of the Front Range metro areas. The ranch features a beautiful custom home and sales office building, a historic red barn, new large shop or equipment building, along with various smaller outbuildings. The home is a sprawling ranch-style home with a spacious open floor plan. It's been recently remodeled and includes 4 large bedrooms, 3 full baths, and 3,764 square feet of living area. It boasts a large open great room, dining area, and kitchen with new appliances, and its setting at the base of a rocky pine-covered bluff at the center of the property is ideal. The sales office is a brand new 2-story on a full basement with 2,711 square feet and is set up to be used as 2 units if desired. The building is a modern style with large picture windows. It features a large gathering and dining area. Ranch buildings include an historic 70 by 42 barn with a large hayloft converted to a family party area. Also included is a new 40 by 72 shop building along with several smaller livestock shelters and sheds. Hunting and wildlife opportunities include MuleDeer, elk, pronghorn, turkey, coyote, fox, and ducks and geese on occasion, as there are numerous species of birds. Elk tags are over the counter, and the ranch qualifies for the landowner draw for deer and pronghorn. The ranch features a stocked bass pond with big bass and bluegill. The seller's mineral and water interests are included. The water rights include a total of 1,310 acre-feet per year, and there are several wells on the property. With the right offer, the seller is willing to sell the ranch turnkey with all equipment, supplies, and cattle. For your private tour, please contact Jim Digby at 303-883-8493.